Good afternoon, I am Anne Salter and you are watching International Business Times UK. If you tried to click onto the Wikipedia website today, you will have been greeted with a blacked out blank screen and a message of "Imagine a world without free knowledge." Wikipedia is holding an online protest for 24 hours to seek support against proposed US anti-piracy legislation, which it says threatens the future of the internet by blocking websites, monitoring customers' traffic, and will close down illegal websites. But what does this mean and who will benefit? Well, namely the music recording industry and Hollywood film companies, although it will have implications for free speech with the police and firefighters supporting this legislation. In Afghanistan, 2 UK servicemen, a sergeant and a private from the Mercy and Battle Group, have been arrested by military police after claims they allegedly filmed themselves abusing 2 10-year-old Afghan children and then showing it to colleagues on laptop computers. This follows another recent incident of abuse in Afghanistan, as US soldiers were filmed urinating on Taliban soldiers and then posted the images on a website. The MOD said they would carry out a full investigation. The captain of the stricken Costa Concordia cruise ship, Francesco Schettino, has been placed under house arrest after a court appearance, as hopes dimmed that more survivors would be found on the liner. He has been accused of manslaughter and abandoning ship while passengers were still trapped inside. The death toll from the disaster has been updated to 11 after 5 more bodies were discovered. About 24 people are still missing. Please stay tuned for more news and updates, or follow us at Twitter and at Facebook and at IBTimes.co.uk. I'm Anne Salter from International Business Times UK.